Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor. Most beginners think that they are learning cloud by setting up S3 buckets or launching EC2 instance once. But that's what they are, getting stuck in. I kind of know AWS mode and they will never build apps, okay? So they will keep watching service by service tutorials, asking which service should I learn next, avoid getting hands-on experience. That's really gonna integrate all these services. So you get fragments of AWS, but because you didn't build a working full stack application, you have not understood how API gateway connects to Lambda, not understood how to control access with IAM or store input in DynamoDB. Your confidence stays low and your portfolio will be empty. Okay, so we can fix it. Okay, this is fixable. The type of workflow where the front end calls API gateway securely, API gateway routes input to Lambda, okay, and IAM handles all the backend permissions. So this type of project won't overwhelm you, but it will teach you the real end-to-end integration of the services, not just the usage. Okay. So let's say if you understand how API gateway is, what is the use of API gateway, but you have not yet integrated it, it's of no use. Okay. So it will help you to build portfolio ready application. It will let you explain serverless system like cloud architect. Okay. So if you're ready and stop teaching services blindly and finally build a real AWS application from front end to database. So as you can see here in the architecture on the left hand side, we have deployed and hosted this application using AWS Amplify. We are using API gateway, which through which the users are gonna connect via API endpoint. Okay, it's gonna send the user data for computation. AWS Lambda, which is serverless function, which will uh, be triggered on API gateway. Okay, request. It's gonna write the result to the database. It's gonna perform some computation, and we have this IAM permission over here, which is gonna assign the permission to Lambda function. Okay, it's gonna also read the data and show it to the front end. We can do it that way as well. So this is just a basic example I wanted to highlight. There is a disconnect with a lot of AWS enthusiasts who who do their certification, but since they have not done any end-to-end project, they won't be able to explain this. So that's it for this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.